how to fix or how to reset the printer Epson L3110. So it says like this. So if your printer problem like this and it has blink like this also, problem is this, and your printer is blinking the power or the problem, same with this, I will show you how to fix in easy way. So all you need to have to do is you have computer or laptop, so for you to fix this problem. So stick around, I show you how. So we are here now in my computer. So you are going to download first the receiver or the Epson receiver. So in my case, I already download the receiver of this Epson. So here's the file. So if you're going to download the file, it become like this. So you're going to extract the file and then become like this. So you are going to open this file and then click this file here. So this is the file you are going to click. It becomes like this. So you're going to copy this file here. This is the error from your receiver, so you're going to copy this file and then you come here to back again and then open this one, this file, run administrator, should become like this. So you're going to have to do is click license customer, type whatever you want to type. You have to type maybe receiver, and then this one Epson, and then here you're going to paste this one, and then you're going to save here and then create. After you're going to save, you are going to create the license and then set successfully created the folder here. So it's already here, as you see, receiver in Epson. So click this one, close this one, close, and then you're going to copy all this one, and then you're going to place it here. So it's already here, and then now what you're going to do is to open this one. The real. Ayos na ba? See? That's how you are going to fix your printer Epson alay na? 𝔼𝕒𝕤𝕮. So, the problem is being solved. So, what can you say? You're just playing. Hey, print daw again. Another print. Peplong. Just the same. Okay, go. Print again. Okay guys, 𝔼𝕒𝕣. Thanks. If you have any comment on my YouTube channel, and you can subscribe to his YouTube channel, Danny Kids TV. Okay guys, thanks for watching.